How to use Southwest Airlines promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Southwest Airlines and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, southwest.com. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Southwest. Now you can go ahead and log into your account. At the top right corner, you're gonna see the option of login or enroll. Just click on that, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of interface. Now here you can easily book your flight. Just click on the option of book a flight, then provide the details. Go ahead and select the origin and destination place, likewise departure and return date, passenger number. After you fill up all these, you will see the option of promo code over here. Now from here you can easily use your promo code. All you have to do is type in the code over here. After you type in the code, you will be good to go. Now you can check all the details and confirm your flight. With that, your code will be redeemed and you will get the discount. So this way you can easily use Southwest Airlines promo code. By applying the same process, you can easily use other codes as well. So that's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.